everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm partnering with Sally Hansen to showcase the launch of their new limited edition Miracle Gel Donut Shop collection. I will be swatching the 5 shades that are available in Canada for a limited time this spring and summer, and then of course finishing off the application with the Step 2 Activator Top Coat. If you're not familiar with the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel product, it's a 2-step gel-like manicure system. So first you go ahead and apply your color shade as you would like regular nail polish. You actually don't even need a base coat with these shades. So this is step 1, and then you go in with the step 2, which is the Activator Top Coat, and then you're done. So there's no UV light needed for this product, and then you're left with a gorgeous long-lasting manicure. It makes it really easy for doing your nails at home. These are the shades here from the collection, and they're just super fun for the spring and summertime. So the collection features 3 pastel shades. So there's a pink, a yellow, and a minty green here. And then the best part are these 2 glitter shades, which are perfect to layer over the top. Now let's get into the swatching. The first polish is called Sprinkle and Spice. This is the first of 2 glitter toppers in the collection. The polish is a sheer lilac base with a pearl finish, which features a multi-color and size hexagon glitter. I think this can be worn with just 1 coat, but has a really cool texture when built up because the glitter on the first coat gets a layer of the pearl finish on top. This polish is super unique. If this was the completed look, I would finish off with the Step 2 Activator Top Coat to seal in the polish for a gel-like manicure. The next polish is called Mixture Perfect, and this shade is so well done because it perfectly resembles the icing and sprinkles of a donut. As you can see from the bottle, the polish is a sheer pink that can be worn as a topper to the other shades in the collection. The glitter is sparse on the first coat, but looks great when built up on the second coat. The next polish is called Adorable, and it is just that, very adorable. Pastel yellow and donuts are a huge trend this year. This shade is full coverage with 2 coats. This next polish is called Me Glazy, and this is the perfect pastel pink, which is great for spring and summer. But in my opinion, I think it's a classic for any time of year. Once again, this shade is full coverage with 2 coats. This next polish is called Mint Together, and at first I was surprised to see a mint shade in this donut shop collection because it's not a traditional donut flavor, but it pairs really well with the other shades in the collection, and after applying it, I'm obsessed and just can't get enough. This shade is really well done, applies evenly to the nails, and I love it. Next, I want to share how the glitter toppers layer over the cream shades in the collection. Upon the second coat of Mixture Perfect, you can see the slight tint of pink over the color of the cream shades. Sprinkle and Spice has such a beautiful texture when layered over the cream shades. Once again, upon the second coat, you can truly see the lilac pearl finish come through. I hope you all enjoyed seeing the swatches of the new limited edition Miracle Gel Donut Shop collection polishes. As I mentioned, these shades are only available for a limited time, and I will list in the description bar and put some links for where you can get your hands on these polishes. When I do these swatching videos, I always like to share with you at the end my favorite shades, but it's so hard with this collection because they are all so pretty. But if I have to narrow it down, I do think that my favorite combo is the pink pastel shade, which is called Me Glazy, paired with the signature sprinkle shade, which is called Mixture Perfect. These 2 pair so beautifully together and just honestly look like a donut, so it's so cute. My close second though is Mint Together because I just love a good mint shade for the springtime. I think they did a really great job in this collection with this shade in particular, and the formula is really great. So that's about it for this swatching video. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you found this video helpful to see how each of the shades apply, as well as the 2 glitter shades over the top of the pastels in the collection. Leave me a comment down below telling me which shade is your favorite from this collection, and I will talk to you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.